everybody, it's Miss Susan.
Hi, everybody. It's Miss Seanine. How are you?
And well, I've got my lovely piggy costume on.
Oh, and I have my lovely elephant. I'm Gerald today. Oh, can you even see me?
I can see you. I have my glasses on.
Oh, good.
Yes. So today we are going to read some of our favorite Elephant and Piggie stories. And this one is one of our favorites.
I love that one.
It is called I Am Invited to a Party, and Piggy got an envelope in the mail for a party. So Miss Seanine and I are going to read this out loud. I am going to be Piggy.
I'm going to be Gerald.
Are you ready, Miss Seanine?
I am. I have to get a little bit sadder because Gerald is kind of sad sometimes, or a little bit crabby at times, but you know.
He's such a good friend to Piggy. So good. He is. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I am invited to a party. Piggy's got an envelope there. I wonder where she's going. Gerald! Look! I am invited to a party.
Cool.
It is cool. Will you go with me? I have never been to a party.
I'll go with you. I know parties.
Party, 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 party.
Wait, what if it's a fancy party? We must be ready.
Really?
I know parties.
He knows parties. Woo! We look good. Is this fancy?
Very fancy. Party! Party! Wait! What if it's a pool party?
A fancy pool party?
We must be ready!
Oh.
I know parties.
He knows parties. Ooh. How is this?
We will make a splash. Party, party, party,
party. What?
What if it's a costume party?
Oh. Fancy pool costume party?
We must be ready.
He had better know parties. Ooh. Now, can we go to the party?
Yes, now we are ready.
Okay. Oh, well, that's a surprise. You do know parties.
Party, party, party.
That was a lot of fun. I want to go to a party now, Gerald.
That does sound fun.
Made my day.
I agree. Oh, Susan, I have another story. This one's called A Big Guy Took My Ball. Are you ready?
I am.
Here we go.
A big guy took my ball. Gerald, I found a big ball and it was so fun. And then a big guy came and he took my ball. I am so upset.
That is not good. That is not right. Ooh. Big guys have all the fun. Big guys have all the fun. What about the little guys? What about them? What makes those big guys think they are so big?
Their size?
Well, I am big too. I will get your big ball from that big guy.
Oh, thank you, Gerald. Oh, he's my hero.
Here I go. Let's see how big this big guy is.
Go get him, Gerald.
Oh no!
Did you get my ball back?
That is a big guy. You did not say how big he was. He is very big.
He is very, very big.
He is bigger than I am. Much bigger. I am smaller than he is. Much smaller. He is so biggy, big.
Gerald, Gerald, did you not get my big ball back? Did you?
I did not. Excuse me.
Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Thank you for finding my little ball.
Oh my gosh. That was your ball? And you think it is little?
Well, I am big.
He is big.
So big that no one will play with me.
Oh.
Little guys have all fun.
Oh, Gerald, we need to do something.
Big guy?
Would you like to play whale ball with us?
What is whale ball? We do not know.
We have not made it up yet.
With a little help,
We can all have
big fun. Oh, I like that story.
Oh, I like that too. I want to be friends with a whale.
Me too.
Our final story is I Will Surprise My Friend, because, Gerald is such a good friend.
So
And who doesn't like surprises? So here we go. Okay. Here she is. She's like, I will surprise my friend. Look!
What are you doing?
I'm going to surprise my friend. Shh! Here she comes. Boom!
Oh, you surprised me.
I did.
Oh, let's
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I have an idea. We could surprise each other.
Yes. Mm-hmm. We could surprise each other by the big rock. Yay! You go this way, and I'll go that way. Your rock's bigger than mine. It's really small.
It is a big rock.
I wonder where Gerald is.
Where is Piggie?
He is not here.
She's not here. Oh. Where can my friend be? I will look on the other side of the rock. She is not there.
He is not there.
Oh no. Maybe. Oh, Piggie. Piggie is lost and about to fall off a cliff. Oh, or maybe. Oh no. Oh, Piggie. Oh, a giant bird grabbed Piggie and flew off with her. Or maybe. Oh no. Oh, Piggie. A scary monster is trying to eat her right now. Oh. Poor Piggie.
Maybe Gerald got hungry for lunch.
Piggie must be saved. Oh, I'll save her I must save her.
I'm gonna get lunch.
I will save you, Piggie!
Lunchtime! Ah!
Oh no. That was a surprise.
That was a big surprise. Whew.
Oh, oh no. Oh. Next time, let's play tag.
Deal. Oh,
Oh, that was a lot.
so good.
Worried about Piggie. Oh no.
Oh, surprises can be fun, but a bit intimidating.
True enough.
I would rather just get lunch with Gerald. That would be nice.
Oh, that sounds good. Let's have lunch.
Okay. Well, I want to thank all of our friends for joining us for our Elephant and Piggie story time. We had so much fun doing this for you.
We did, and we hope to see you really soon. Enjoy all the stories. And of course, there's more than just these. You could check out more.
There's a lot of them, like at least 20 or more. Mm-hmm. You can have your own Gerald and Piggie marathon.
Well, you could act them out.
You could act them out. All right.
Bye.